Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Santander Bank or your Santander online banking. Now Santander Bank is available in different countries, and depending upon which country you're on, you'll need to open up different websites. So first of all, open up your web browser, and if you're in UK, just search for santander.co.uk. Once you hit search, it's going to take you to the official website of Santander UK. To log into your account, click on the log on button on the top right. But if you're not from the UK, you need to search for santanderbank.com, and you can see this website with a different interface where you'll also find an option of login on the top right. Through this section, you need to type in your user ID and the password that you created while signing up for the online banking service. Similarly, in the case of UK, you need to type in your personal ID, and instead of the password, you need to type in the security key. This is the customer PIN or the registration number that you get while signing up for the online banking. So whether you're trying to log into your personal, business or corporate, you'll need to enter in the details likewise. So once you enter in both of these information, you can see these two boxes. So if you're using your personal device, you can check this box, or if you're using a shared device, you can check this box which says I'm using a public or a shared device. Once you do, you just need to click on log on, and similarly for the santanderbank.com, fill in these details and click on login, and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking service of Santander Bank. So that was the easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.